air pressure, and humidity are essential aspects of our weather. They can each be measured with a unique tool or instrument. These measurements help us understand the changes and conditions in the atmosphere. The atmosphere's temperature is determined by the energy of its gas particles. When these particles are warmer, they move faster. We use a thermometer to measure this energy. As gas molecules speed up, they hit the thermometer's tip more often. Every collision transfers some energy to the thermometer, which makes the temperature reading go up. Temperature plays an essential role in the weather patterns we experience. Air pressure happens because of the weight or force of the air pushing down. A mercury barometer measures atmospheric pressure. In a diagram, downward arrows show air pressure due to the weight of air pushing down. If the air's weight pushing down increases, the mercury level in the glass goes up, and the mercury level in the test tube also goes up. Air pressure influences the formation of high and low pressure systems that drive weather patterns. Altitude, or how high you are above Earth's surface, influences air pressure. The higher you go, the more spread out the air molecules become. This causes the air to be less dense or thinner. When you climb a mountain, the mercury in a barometer tube drops, which means air pressure is lower. Lower air pressure at high altitudes can lead to different weather conditions than at lower elevations. Temperature has an impact on air pressure as well. Gases move more quickly in hot air than in cold air. Fast-moving gas expands and occupies more space, so hot air is less dense than cold air. Warm air creates less air pressure compared to cold air. If you go from Alaska to the desert, the mercury in the tube would go down, showing a decrease in air pressure. Changes in temperature and air pressure can lead to the development of weather systems and the movement of air masses. Humidity is the measurement of water vapor in the atmosphere. As more water vapor enters the atmosphere, the air becomes more humid. Water vapor molecules take up more space than air molecules, making humid air lighter and less dense than dry air. Humidity affects how the air feels and can influence weather conditions like rain and fog. Humidity can affect things like hair. Hair stretches when it's damp, and the more humid the air, the longer the hair stretches. A hygrometer is an instrument that uses hair to measure humidity. In a hygrometer, a hair is attached to a needle. As the hair stretches, the needle moves and points to the amount of humidity in the air. Measuring humidity helps us understand the moisture content of the air and its potential impact on weather conditions.